The King's Weaver, Chapter 11. Absence Irava. I follow Toravan through a door in his study that leads to dimly lit rooms. Heavy curtains shroud the windows, with little sunlight showing through. Some furniture is covered with linens, while others remain in the open. The air is heavy with the must of a house that's been vacant for months. We walk through a sitting room, and then another sitting room. Shadows stretch across the walls like living things. These were his father's rooms, I realize. They should be his now. But this space doesn't look lived in. The rooms are frozen, as if held apart from time. I swallow as he removes a key from his pocket and unlocks an ornately carved set of double doors. We step into another, musty room with an enormous four-poster bed, each corner a tapering spiral reaching toward the high ceiling. This has to have been the old king's bedchamber. Gods, has he brought me here to murder me too? I squeeze my eyes shut, trying to make my racing heart calm. No, that isn't what's happening here. He's already asked me for help. And why would Toravan want to kill a mage candidate? If he wanted me gone, he could have banished me at the demonstration, not let me stay in the palace. Or maybe that would have been too suspicious. Maybe he's afraid I'll see too much. He's as much as said it himself. Oh gods, I should flee. I turn to the doors, just as the king seizes the window curtains and yanks them open, flooding the room with too bright light. He stops when he sees me, frowning. A few wisps of black hair have escaped his tuck behind his ear and dance in the sunlight. For a moment, I can't look away. His beautiful, smooth brow now furrowed, his lips drawn tight. I can't look away, no matter if everything in me is telling me to flee. Then his expression closes. He has to know the rumors about him, has to know that of course I would be nervous coming here, for all kinds of reasons. Doubly so as Caleb Aylin, village mage, who's never talked to a king before, let alone been in a king's bedchamber. It's not Toravan's bedchamber, though. There is that. I bow, which seems the safest thing to do, as my thoughts race. Am I in danger here? I don't know. I truly don't know. Everything I thought I did know is unraveling, and I'm struggling to find the threads. Is this man my enemy? Or is he a man who's recently lost his father and doesn't know why? Forgive me, Your Majesty. There's nothing to forgive, the king says gruffly. Stand up, please. We don't need to hold to ceremony here. He's wrong, but I straighten slowly. He's glaring at me, and somehow that feels safer than the glimpses of that other man I've seen. The one who feels too much. Toravan waves around us.